Model, 2015 Peugeot Boxer 2.2 HDi 335 L4H2 130 Professional. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 182547. MOT, the 7th of February 2025. Engine, 2198 cc 4 HHC. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs perfect. Does drive, however gearbox needs replacing. Easy fix. Condition summary, bodywork is in decent, average condition. Interior is in decent, average condition. Rear load area is in decent, average condition, genuine honest work van. Features, 2 former keepers, parking sensors, air con, electric windows, sat-nav. EU status, Euro 5. HPI, clear. Cap retail, £3,895. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on